Understanding the microwave oven, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common household appliance, the microwave oven. This device is not only useful in our daily lives but also a great example of compound nouns in English. Let's dive into understanding what a microwave oven is, and how it works. A microwave oven, often simply called a microwave, is a kitchen appliance used for heating and cooking food. Unlike conventional ovens, a microwave oven uses microwave radiation to heat food. This technology allows for quicker cooking times and is very convenient for reheating food. The microwave oven has an interesting history. It was accidentally invented by Percy Spencer in 1945 when he noticed that microwaves from a radar set he was working on melted a candy bar in his pocket. This discovery led to the development of the first microwave oven, which was quite large and expensive, mostly used in commercial settings. Over time, the design was refined, making it more suitable and affordable for home use. Understanding the science behind a microwave oven is fascinating. It works by emitting microwaves, a type of electromagnetic radiation, which are absorbed by water, fats, and sugars in the food. As these molecules absorb the microwaves, they start to vibrate, producing heat. This process cooks the food from the inside out, which is why microwave cooking is so fast. Microwave ovens are extremely versatile. They can be used for defrosting frozen food, reheating leftovers, and cooking various dishes. However, it's important to use microwave-safe containers and to be cautious of hot food and steam when opening the microwave door. I hope this video has helped you understand what a microwave oven is and how it works. It's a wonderful example of how language and technology intersect in our everyday lives. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.